What's up, everybody? It's close to the end of March and the end of the first quarter of the year, so this also means the numbers are in for February. So in this video, we're going to discuss the real estate market numbers, updating you as of February, and we're going to get started right now. Welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. And today we're going to talk about the recent housing market for the U.S. economy and Knoxville. But before we jump into that, I just want to remind you I make videos like this every single week, so make sure you like and subscribe to the video. So the U.S. numbers and the U.S. housing market statistics will be number one. And starting off, we're going to talk about the new listings and inventory. Nationally, the inventory of homes for sale in February decreased by 48.6%. This amounted to 496,000 fewer homes for sale. Severe winter storms across the country limited the market activity, though, resulted in newly listing homes declining by 24.5%. That's and then the third week of February, in the midst of the storms, new listings dropped by 35.2%. They then recovered to 26.9% in February's last week. So the conditions eased a bit, allowing for that. Approximately 207,000 fewer homes were newly listed for sale during the first 2 months of the year, compared with the average for those 2 months over the last 4 years. New listings would need to increase by 25% year over year in March and April to bring back the numbers from 2020 levels. Now, with housing inventory, it declined by 47.4%. Homes for sale and the average days on market continued to sell more quickly than last year, with a typical home spending about 70 days on the market in February, which is 11 days less than last year. The median national home listing price grew by 13.7% over the last year to $353,000. That's lower than last month's growth rate of 15.4%. And that's a deceleration driven more by the change in the mix of home for sales, since the nation's median list price per square foot also grew by 19.4%. Now, jumping into the Knoxville numbers, and this is where I kind of took the shortcut. Inventory and new listings are going to be clumped together because, again, I was gathering this information. There's a huge storm going on outside, and I was afraid I was going to lose power. So, of course, as the trends have shown, things are kind of weird. New listings were up 8.5% from January, while the number of active listings are down by over 20%. This is basically because homeowners are deciding to sell their home, hence the new listings going up, but buyers are still snatching those homes up, hence active listings going down. And finally, the most important topic for everybody interested in buying a home or selling a home is the average sales price. The average sales price for Knox County was $318,382, which is 22% more from last year and 5.9% more from January. Here's what this is telling me. The time to sell is obviously strong, and it's going to be strong for some time to come. The market is going to shift eventually, but it's probably not going to be this year. The struggle that we're seeing is homeowners, though they want to sell and they want to take advantage of these high prices, they're afraid to, because where are they going to live? If they don't want to sell their house and then be out there in this buyer's market struggling to find a new home. There are options, though, if you choose to do that. There's leaseback options. There's maybe finding a short-term rental. There are different things we can explore, and if you want to explore those, definitely give me a call. I hope this real estate market update was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day.